Alright, welcome back. So in this video we're going to talk about dry media brushes. So let's head over to Photoshop here. I have generalbrushes.psd open. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click File, Save As, and we're going to do 02 dry media brushes. Save, then we're going to select all these layers except for the bottom layer and hit delete. Hit Control S to save. And we're on our way. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go up to the brushes here. We're going to hunker down on that one and grab the dry media brushes. So I'm going to grab this one right here. And you can see here we can select the style that we want, but I'm just going to use the default one, and we'll just call this brush one. The hashtag brush number 1. Okay, so if I go here and I change it, okay, you can see you can change kind of you can change the size. There you go. Okay. Next one we're going to do is Kyle's drawing box, Happy HB, and we'll call this brush number 2. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing. We'll kind of just draw around here just so you can see what it looks like, and then we'll adjust the size of the brush so you can see the difference. Okay, there you go. Turn that one off, and let's go back. And we're going to select the Kyle Ultimate Charcoal Pencil brush. So we'll do brush number 3. Okay, and so with this, I'm going to draw it like that. I'm going to give it a little bigger size here so we can kind of really see the really cool effect. This kind of looks a lot like chalk, like I'm writing on my dad's blackboard back in the day when he was teaching. There we go, Kyle. Okay. We can hit Control Z to undo this all the way. Okay, and then I can do 1 plus 1 equals 2. Thank you. It'll fit. Let's see. Yep, with my funky Y. Let me try that again. There we go. So you can see when I write in there, it looks like I'm writing on a chalkboard, which is very cool. Gives you the kind of that chalkboard effect. So turn that one off. Let's go back to the brushes here, and we're going to grab Kyle Bonus Chunky Charcoal. Okay, we're going to call this brush number 4. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing. So we'll do 1 plus 1 equals 2. And then we'll just write in here. Okay, so that it's a thicker coat, but it's the same idea, same effect for the most part. It's just a thicker brush. Okay, so we'll go to the next one. Oh, there we go. We're going to go to Kyle's Ultimate Pastel Palooza. This looks like a fun one too. So call this brush number 5. There we go, if I can find the hashtag. And we'll do 1 plus 1 equals 2. And then I'll just type in learn. Okay, very cool. Okay, and then the next one, Kyle's Eraser, Natural Edge. So we'll do brush number 6. And I'll do 1 Okay, that didn't work. So let's do 1 plus 1 with the pastel here equals 2, and then I'll grab the eraser and I'm going to use that to erase it. So let's make it a bigger size here. Okay. Oh. There you go. So I'm going to save that. And let me make sure there's no other brushes. I believe that's all of them, and it is. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.